What if some of the healthiest foods in the grocery store are the exact foods you walk past every week? While millions of people spend money on expensive supplements, protein powders, and trendy health foods, they often ignore simple foods that may do far more for their body. And one of the foods on today's list is avoided by countless people because they think it's unhealthy, when many nutrition experts consider it one of the best foods you can buy. Let's take a walk through the grocery store and uncover 10 of the healthiest foods hiding in plain sight. Blueberries may look small, but they pack an incredible amount of nutrition into every bite. That's one reason they're often considered one of the healthiest foods you can buy in any grocery store. These tiny berries are loaded with antioxidants, which help protect your cells from everyday damage caused by stress, pollution, and normal aging. In fact, many nutrition experts rank blueberries among the most nutrient-dense fruits because they provide so many beneficial compounds in such a small package. What's surprising is that many people overlook blueberries while spending money on expensive supplements and trendy health products. Yet one simple container of blueberries can provide vitamins, fiber, and powerful plant compounds that support overall health. They're also incredibly easy to add to your diet. You can enjoy them with Greek yogurt, oatmeal, smoothies, or simply eat them as a healthy snack. Their natural sweetness can even help satisfy cravings for sugary foods. And before we move on to the next food, if you're looking for even more healthy foods that can help support weight loss and reduce sugar intake, be sure to grab my free ebook, Top 30 No-Sugar Foods for Fast Weight Loss. The link is waiting for you in the description below, and it's completely free. But as healthy as blueberries are, the next food has one of the most interesting reputation changes in nutrition history. And for years, people were told to avoid it. Eggs spent decades being blamed for health problems they probably didn't deserve. Today, many nutrition experts consider them one of the most nutritious foods you can buy in a grocery store. One egg contains high-quality protein, along with important vitamins and minerals your body needs every day. That's one reason eggs are often included in healthy eating plans focused on weight management, muscle maintenance, and overall wellness. Another major benefit of eggs is how filling they are. Starting your day with a protein-rich breakfast can help you stay satisfied longer, which may reduce the temptation to reach for unhealthy snacks later in the day. For many people, that simple change can make a noticeable difference. What's surprising is that eggs are also one of the most affordable sources of nutrition available. While many health foods come with a high price tag, eggs provide an impressive amount of nutrients for very little cost. Whether you enjoy them boiled, scrambled, poached, or added to other meals, eggs are simple, versatile, and easy to find in virtually every grocery store. But what happens next might surprise you, because the next food is sitting in the produce section, and many people skip it simply because they didn't like it as a child. Broccoli might not be the most exciting food in the grocery store, but when it comes to nutrition, it's one of the best choices you can make. This green vegetable is packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and beneficial plant compounds that support overall health. Despite being very low in calories, broccoli delivers an impressive amount of nutrition, which is why it's often considered one of the most nutrient-dense vegetables available. One of broccoli's biggest strengths is its fiber content. Fiber helps support healthy digestion, can help you feel full longer, and plays an important role in a balanced diet. Yet many people don't get enough fiber each day, making foods like broccoli even more valuable. What's interesting is that broccoli's biggest challenge isn't nutrition, it's reputation. Many adults still avoid it because they remember not liking it as a child. But when prepared properly, broccoli can be flavorful, satisfying, and easy to include in a variety of meals. Whether it's steamed, roasted, stir-fried, or added to soups and salads, broccoli is one of those simple grocery store foods that offers far more benefits than most people realize. And this is where many people make a mistake. They focus only on vegetables and forget one of the simplest fruits in the entire store. Apples are one of the most common foods in the grocery store, which is probably why so many people underestimate them. But sometimes the healthiest foods are the ones hiding in plain sight. These simple fruits are packed with fiber, vitamins, and beneficial plant compounds that support overall health. One of their biggest advantages is that they're incredibly convenient. No preparation, no cooking, and no special ingredients required. Just grab one and eat. Apples are also known for being surprisingly filling. Thanks to their fiber and water content, they can help satisfy hunger and make it easier to avoid highly processed snacks between meals. That's one reason they're often recommended as part of a healthy eating plan. Another benefit is their versatility. Apples can be eaten on their own, sliced into oatmeal, added to yogurt, blended into smoothies, or paired with nuts for a simple and satisfying snack. What's interesting is that while many people search for exotic superfoods, they often overlook everyday foods like apples that have been supporting healthy diets for generations. But the next food is where many shoppers researchers get completely fooled, because not all versions of it are created equal. Walk down the yogurt aisle and you'll find dozens of different options. The problem is that many of them are packed with added sugars and ingredients that can make them more like desserts than health foods. That's why Greek yogurt stands out. Compared to many regular yogurts, Greek yogurt is typically higher in protein, which can help keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer. This makes it a popular choice for people trying to manage their appetite and make healthier food choices throughout the day. Greek yogurt also contains beneficial bacteria that support gut health. While your gut is responsible for digestion, researchers continue discovering that it may influence many other aspects of overall wellness as well. Another reason Greek yogurt is so popular is its versatility. It can be enjoyed on its own, mixed with blueberries, added to smoothies, or used as a healthier substitute for certain high-calorie ingredients in recipes. The key is choosing plain or low-sugar varieties whenever possible. That's where many shoppers unknowingly turn a healthy food into something much less healthy. But don't leave yet, because the next food has been sitting on breakfast tables for generations, and it's still one of the smartest purchases you can make. Oats are one of the most underrated foods in the grocery store. They may seem simple, but they've earned a reputation as one of the healthiest breakfast foods you can buy. Unlike many sugary breakfast cereals that provide a quick burst of energy followed by a crash, oats contain fiber that helps provide a slower, steadier release of energy throughout the morning. That's one reason so many people feel fuller and more satisfied after eating a bowl of oatmeal. Oats are also packed with important nutrients and are a great source of complex carbohydrates, making them a popular choice among people looking to support their overall health and maintain consistent energy levels throughout the day. Another advantage is how versatile they are. You can add blueberries, apples, cinnamon, nuts, or Greek yogurt to create a nutritious meal that tastes great and keeps you satisfied for hours. Perhaps the best part is that oats are affordable, widely available, and easy to prepare. You don't need expensive health foods to eat well, and oats are a perfect example of that. But the next food is probably already sitting in your kitchen, and despite its small size, it has built a remarkable reputation around the world. Garlic is one of the oldest and most respected health foods in the world. For thousands of years, people have used it not only to add flavor to meals, but also for its potential health benefits. What makes garlic so impressive is that such a small ingredient can deliver so much value. It contains natural compounds that researchers continue to study for their role in supporting heart health, immune function, and overall wellness. Another reason garlic deserves a place on this list is how easy it is to include in your diet. A few cloves can completely transform the flavor of vegetables, soups, meats, sauces, and countless other dishes, making healthy meals far more enjoyable. Unlike many trendy health foods, garlic is inexpensive, widely available, and found in virtually every grocery store. Yet many people underestimate it simply because it's so common. Sometimes the healthiest choices aren't the most expensive or the most heavily advertised. They're the simple foods that have stood the test of time, and garlic is a perfect example. And while garlic is impressive, the next food is often avoided for a reason that doesn't make much sense. Sweet potatoes are one of the healthiest foods in the produce section, yet many people avoid them simply because they hear the word carb and assume they're unhealthy. In reality, sweet potatoes are packed with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and beneficial plant compounds that support overall health. They provide long-lasting energy and are far different from highly processed carbohydrates that can leave you feeling hungry again shortly after eating. One reason sweet potatoes are so popular among nutrition experts is that they're both nutritious and satisfying. Their combination of fiber and complex carbohydrates can help keep you feeling full longer, making them a smart addition to a balanced diet. They're also incredibly versatile. Sweet potatoes can be baked, roasted, mashed, air-fried, or added to a variety of meals. Their natural sweetness makes them enjoyable without needing lots of extra ingredients. Perhaps the best part is that sweet potatoes come exactly as nature intended: simple, affordable, and loaded with nutrition. Sometimes the healthiest foods aren't found in fancy packages, but in the produce aisle right in front of you. But now we're getting close to one of the most powerful foods in the grocery store, and it's found in the seafood section. If nutrition experts had to create a list of superstar foods, salmon would almost certainly earn a spot near the top. It's one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can find in the grocery store and has been recommended by health professionals for decades. One reason salmon stands out is its combination of high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Protein helps support muscle maintenance and keeps you feeling satisfied, while omega-3s are well known for their role in supporting heart and brain health. Many people don't consume enough omega-3s in their daily diet, which is one reason fatty fish like salmon continues to be recommended as part of a healthy eating plan. It's one of the easiest ways to add these important nutrients to your meals. Another advantage is its versatility. Salmon can be baked, grilled, air-fried, or added to salads and bowls, making it easy to fit into almost any lifestyle. While there are many healthy protein sources available, few offer the combination of nutrition, satisfaction, and health benefits that salmon provides. That's why it remains one of the most respected foods in the world of nutrition. But even salmon isn't the final food, because the last food on this list is probably the most misunderstood of them all. For years, many people avoided avocados because they contain fat, but today, nutrition experts often consider them one of the healthiest foods you can buy in a grocery store. The truth is that not all fats are the same. Avocados are rich in healthy fats that can help keep you feeling satisfied after a meal, making them a popular choice for people trying to avoid constant snacking and cravings throughout the day. They're also packed with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and beneficial plant compounds that support overall health. In fact, avocados provide an impressive amount of nutrition in every serving, which is one reason they continue to grow in popularity around the world. Another advantage is their versatility. Avocados can be added to salads, sandwiches, omelets, smoothies, wraps, or simply enjoyed on their own. Their creamy texture and mild flavor make them easy to include in a variety of meals. What's interesting is that the very thing people once feared about avocados, their fat content, is now one of the main reasons they're considered so healthy. Sometimes nutrition myths can cause people to miss out on some of the best foods available, and that's what makes avocados the perfect final food for this list. They remind us that some of the healthiest foods in the grocery store are often the ones people misunderstand the most. So the next time you walk into a grocery store, remember this: improving your health doesn't have to be complicated. Some of the healthiest foods you can buy are already sitting on the shelves, waiting to be added to your cart. Blueberries, eggs, broccoli, apples, Greek yogurt, oats, garlic, sweet potatoes, salmon, and avocados are simple foods that can make a real difference when eaten regularly as part of a healthy lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next health and nutrition video. And if you haven't already, be sure to download your free copy of Top 30 No Sugar Foods for Fast Weight Loss using the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.